Jules by Henry Margu in the color 27AH. Let's get started. Jules is a cropped, curly, layered style. This is a cute one. This is an easy one. You just give it a good shake, plop it on. You could spray it with a little water. It's really just a quick finger styling and you're good to go. And it looks like this all day. You don't have to keep fussing with it. The way this is styled in the front, it curls right away from your face, stays out of your eyes. Super comfortable cap. Henry Margu makes one of the most comfortable caps. It's a really good style. The color I have Jules in is 27AH. This is my favorite Henry Margu color. It's that subtle light red color. It's beautiful. It's very natural looking. I'm very comfortable in it. It's not a bright in your face red. So if you're just wanting to like dip your toes in the red color, this is a great color to start with. It's very beautiful, like I said, very natural and just a very subtle light red color. The Permatease and hair fibers on Jules. Henry Margu has very good hair fibers. Hair fibers that I feel like last a long time. These hair fibers are, I would say, light to medium in tenure. Just enough weight to them to keep that curl, keep this style. Lots of layering so you can get some volume, and there is Permatease pretty much throughout. But you're not going to see it. Even on the top where there's Permatease, there's enough layering and curl that you're not going to see that Permatease. You can style this to where you're not going to see any Permatease on top. Never had a concern about that. The measurements for Jules. The Name Brand Wig website says that the bang area is 7 inches. The ear tab hair coming off these ear tabs, 5.5 inches. The nape is 4.5 inches. The top is 3.25 to 7.5. The sides are 3.25 to 6.5. The back is 4.5 to 6.5. And then overall it says it's 10 inches. And it says that Jules weighs 2.75 ounces, so super light. It is such a comfortable style. I am telling you, it just disappears on your head. Let's talk about this cap. Let's take a look on the inside. Jules has a lace front and a good deep lace front, so you can part this really wherever you want. The lace stretches back by the ear tabs. You got a nice soft ear tab with a metal stay. Got extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and then otherwise you've got the machine sewn open wefts. Lots of stretch, and you can see by how close these wefts are sewn together, there's quite a bit of hair on Jules. Lots of hair, lots of layers. Really nice, comfortable cap. And I have a 22.5 inch circumference head. I'm about 12 ear to ear, 12 to 13 forehead to occipital. These caps fit me so well. I am telling you, Henry Margu is a really comfortable cap for my size head. Henry Margu Felicia was my very first wig, and thank goodness, because it was so comfortable. It kind of let me know that I would be okay in wigs. Okay. So I've talked about the color and the cap, the measurements, the Permatease and the hair fibers. I think you can tell. My overall thoughts about Jules, this is a staple. This is an everybody, everyday wig. It's classic, it's timeless, it's that great cropped length. It's not fussy, looks cute all the time. It's got good movement. It's just So easily styled. It's got that lace front, pull it away from your face if you want to, and it's got that deep lace front. So, I mean, you can definitely switch the part on this. You could do more of like a middle part, or just switch it to the other side. It's so easy. And it's also one of those styles that if you're somebody that likes to run their fingers through their hair all the time, I mean, I've been messing with this one quite a bit and it still looks so good. And it's synthetic. If you do kind of lose some of the curl in front, wash it or spray it with a bunch of water, let it hang upside down, use your hands to scrunch it, bring that curl back. Such a great style. Okay, you know what to do. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, do a little chit chat down in the comments. I would love to know what you think about Jules. And like I said, it's not a new style. So if you've had this one for a while, tell us more about it. How long has it lasted? How often have you worn it? How have the hair fibers held up? Tell us more about it. Okay, I will see you on my next video.